Alan, and who do we have here?
Jesse.
And?
Jess.
Guys, what are you doing today?
We're gonna skydive.
Going skydiving. Man, that explains those super fancy suits that you guys are wearing. Any special occasion for going skydiving today?
Letting shit go.
Yeah, it's a let go kind of day, huh?
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about. All right, whose idea was this? All right, if anything goes wrong, we know exactly where to point that finger, right? All right, ain't nothing gonna go wrong. We're gonna have an absolutely wonderful time. You ready to rock and roll?
Yes.
All right, high fives, let's go.
Yes, let's go.
Woo! All right, we found us an airplane. You ready to get in this thing?
Go!
Let's go, let's go. Here we go.
Pull down hard right. There you go. That's all you did. Let's do a big left turn. Yeah, bud. Hands up. Perfect. Jumped out of an airplane.
It feels good, man.
Yeah? How you feeling?
Good experience. Feel good.
Heck yeah.
I'm ready to go back out.
That's what we like to hear. What was your favorite part?
All of it.
All of it?
All of it.
Heck yeah,
the
dude.
whole thing.
Sick.
Yeah.
Heck yeah.
Well, the driving, me running that.
Steering the parachute?
Yeah.
Heck yeah, man.
Yeah.
Well, sick. Glad you enjoyed it.
Okay.
Can't wait to have you back.
Okay.
Thanks for jumping with us, dude.
Okay, you bet. Thank you.